Welcome, ghouls and goblins. Is your Halloween display lacking that electrifying touch? Don't just decorate. Dominate the darkness with Holidynamics. This season, light up your lair with our chilling collection of Halloween-themed lights. From bewitching spritzers that shimmer like spider silk, to glowing C9 bulbs in frightful colors like pumpkin orange, ghost white, and witchy purple. But what's a haunted yard without a few familiar fiends? Summon our metal frame monsters. Ghoulish skulls, menacing scarecrows, creepy jack-o'-lanterns, and even alien invaders from beyond the grave. Or galaxy. Whether you're haunting the block or just creeping out the neighbors, Holidynamics has everything you need to turn your yard into a terrorific masterpiece. Durable, dazzling, devilishly delightful, and always designed to make your Halloween display unforgettable. Visit holidynamics.com if you dare, because this Halloween, the lights do more than glow.